C6 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Convertible. Two-owner vehicles, all clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, adult owned and driven. Of course, a 6.2-liter LS3 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Torch red exterior here, as you can see. Black interior, black power top. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. There's going to be a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Plus, you can call us 507-386-1726. See the drilled rotors behind the chrome wheels. We're going to start it up, let you hear it running just a bit, let you take a peek underneath the hood. This car does come with both key fobs. And as you can see, it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a little small spot that has had a little pebble chip or stone chip, what have you, touched up, but overall, this car shows as well in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. It's also going to come with a windscreen that you'll be able to see in the still pictures. It goes behind the seating area. It's in this convenient carry case right over here. Genuine Corvette accessory. Cuts down on the buffeting as far as the wind when the top's down. Nice accessory to have. Also comes with the manuals. I mentioned both key fobs. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Center dump exhaust. Do want to mention that too. Corsa tips on there, as you can see. Like I said, we're going to fire it up here in just a bit so you can hear it run. We're also going to take it for a drive. I'll show you the top going up and down. But first, remember, if you like these C6 Corvettes, maybe just Corvettes in general, sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And you can also see the driver's side is like the passenger side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice shape. Of course, you can have your modern amenities, Bose stereo system, memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hear that Corsa exhaust? Sounds good. Alright, headlamp suggested we're indoors. There's exact miles, 34,118. No warning indicators, anything like that. Gauge is working, that flashing light's just telling me to put my seatbelt on. Tap shift. Heated seats. AM, FM, CD player. Does have driver's information center. Heads up display. Dash looks good. And I can vouch for the AC blowing cold. It'll freeze you out of here. Pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay in just a bit. First, let's listen. Sounds good. And let's take a peek at this engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. Look at the hood liner, spotless. Doesn't appear this car's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. A little aftermarket cold air intake, air raid. let it breathe a little better. There it is, 6.2 liter LS3. Engine bay looks good. Look at the condition of that paint on that hood too, front fascia. This car's in nice shape, folks. All right, I'm gonna pause this real quick. I want to. And here it is with the top up. So as you can see, power top functions as it should. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see if that fits nice. So black fabric top. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much wear to it at all. Glass rear window, rear to fog. Around to the passenger side. Side glass fits nicely also. Again, no rips, tears, or holes. Nice tight fit above the windshield. What you'd expect as far as condition-wise in a car like this. This kind of miles, well taken care of. Let me go ahead and show you how it goes down. We'll wrap up this video. Unique classic cars. Take your time looking for all those still pictures. Number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Give me a second, I'm going to show you it going down, and then stick around to the very end. We'll take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. We do have the top up today because, as you can see, it is a little sprinkly outside. Can't always control the weather. And we want to get these driving videos done for you. This is a very nice run-in Corvette with heads-up display showing me the tachometer, speedometer. If you see the lights flickering on the dash, that is just our camera's frame rate, not the car itself. Gauges are looking great. Temperature about 190. Oil PSI 45. Battery's charging over 14 volts and the fuel tank is over half. Factory stereo. Sounding great. We've got leather bucket seats, of course, in this Corvette. Power top. The top, with a push of a button, goes all the way up, all the way down. You just latch it right here and you're good to go. This is an automatic on the center console with optional button shifting on the steering wheel. As you can see, the wipers are working. This era of Corvette, one of the best bang for your buck performance cars you can get, in my opinion. And when you put the throttle down, you really feel it. Lots of acceleration and performance from this Corvette. Of course, it handles excellent in the corners as well. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.